A beautiful good afternoon. It's over 20 degrees and I start diagnostic the lawnmower in my previous video. That shut it down after a few seconds, so well, already figured out what was wrong. First of all, it didn't choke, so that's bad. So well, the ceiling is broken, so that's the reason why it didn't close right. So no compression with the choke. Also the carburetor is plugged, so again I believe I can just twist this. Not off, but what I'm going to do is take the carburetor off and we're going to clean it. Alright, well, I wonder why it went exactly, because there's rust in there, you see? It's copper, but ground rust, and a bit blunt. So I cleaned it already a bit, but why should it come out? Just put it back. So, well, what we're now going to do is fix the shock pump, putting out the ceiling on, and then I get back to you. Alright, I just put the carburetor back on. Here's one of the hoods. Just cleaned a bit. But whatever. So I have to get another pull start, because look, the rope is all gone right now. So I'll see how we're going to fix that. Next step is put the air filter back on, but before we do that I want to make sure it runs. So I'll get some gasoline, put in a rope around here and pull it and see if it starts. So I'll get back. Guys, alright, I'm going to finish my lawnmower. I bought 6 meters of pull start rope for €1.45 or so. Very cheap. So I just put the hood back on, this the gas tank, but whatever. What I first going to do is take a key and just pull everything on, so when that's on I get back. Alright, I mounted on place. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put the fuel tank on. Pretty easy to do if you know what you're doing. So just bolt this one down and then I get back. Alright, I got it on, so we take the screws, necessary one, just put it in the top like so, over there one, and over here. Come on, damn it. Alright, there we got it. I have to do it with one hand again, guys. Just screw it in place. Easy to do with screwdriver. And so that's one. We go to the second. Sorry, that one. Oh, I got the wrong screwdriver, damn it. There. So there's two. That is 3. So I take a cup of coffee and get back. Alright, I got it back together, so we'll see if it will start. Awesome. Now it keeps running. To make the rope somewhere it's long enough. Look. So to put made a Basically like right there, so I can just make it. Alright, I started making and order for the pull start. But when I start knipping, well, it died. What the? And just like it broke. Anyway, I got too much power in my hand, but whatever. It's a very easy holder for it, like so. I just piece of metal, it works fine. Let's see how fast it starts, right? Ain't the cold start anymore. Got some red sound. Alright, the lawnmower is done. Well, just a funny thing about it. First the engine was running like so my dad thought he know a lot about it. He said, wow, it's the bobine. So he replaced the bobine. The ignition, well, it still did the same. But he wouldn't listen to me that the spring of the adjustment was weakening up. So, well, he couldn't fix it, it's running, but so now I fixed it, and I fixed what I thought what was the problem, and guess what? It's working. Just hold it. Fine. It got front suspension of driving. Stupid, but so yeah, it's it, right? So well, I fixed it. Was a job. New pull starter in. So it would be great. I just put the air filter on and I mowed the grass, but you aren't interested in seeing that stuff. So well, I thank you for watching, guys. So, right, goodbye.